Welcome to Islamic Religious Studies for JSS 3. Today we study the relationship between Islam and modern science. Islam's positive attitude towards knowledge. Islam is unique among the world's major religions in its extremely positive attitude towards knowledge and learning. The very first word revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, was Iqra, read. Surah Al-Alaq 96:1. The Quran commands Muslims to read, reflect, and investigate the creation of Allah. The Quran says, Allah will exalt those who believe among you, and those who have knowledge, to high ranks. 58:11, the Prophet Muhammad said, seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim. Ibn Majah. He also said, seek knowledge, even if you must go to China. This positive attitude towards knowledge created the intellectual environment that produced the golden age of Islamic science in the Abbasid era. The Quran and scientific observation. The Quran encourages reflection on the natural world as a way of understanding Allah's power and wisdom. Many Quranic verses relate to natural phenomena, astronomy. Do they not look at the sky above them? 50:6. It is He who has made the sun a shining light and the moon a derived light and determined for its phases. 10:5. Biology/embryology. Surah Al-Mu'minun 23:12-14 describes the stages of human development in the womb. We created man from an extract of clay. Then we made him as a drop in a firm lodging. Then we made the drop into a clinging cloth, and we made the cloth into a lump, and we made the lump into bones, and we clothed the bones with flesh. Then we brought him into being as another creation. So blessed is Allah, the best of creators. Modern embryology confirms these stages. Oceanography. He released the two seas, meeting. Between them is a barrier they do not transgress. 55:19-20. Modern science has confirmed the phenomenon of ocean water boundaries. Cosmology. And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed, we are expander. 51:47. Some interpret this as a reference to the expanding universe. Muslim scientists who contributed to modern science. 1. Ibn al-Haytham, 9651040 CE, known as the father of optics. He developed the scientific method through systematic observation and experimentation. His book Kitab-e-Manazir, Book of Optics, laid the foundations for the study of light, vision, and optics. 2. Al-Khwarizmi, 780-850 CE, developed algebra. The word algebra comes from his work. Also developed algorithms. His name is the origin of the word algorithm. Introduced the decimal system and zero to the West. 3. Ibn Sina/Avicenna, 9801037 CE, the Canon of Medicine, used as a medical textbook in European universities until the 17th century. Made contributions to pharmacology, physiology, and psychology. 4. Al-Biruni, 9731048 CE, made remarkable contributions to geography, mineralogy, mathematics, and anthropology. 5. Al-Battani, 858-929 CE, made accurate measurements of the solar year and lunar orbit. 6. Jabir ibn Hayyan, 721-815 CE, known as the father of chemistry. Developed early chemical processes, distillation, crystallization, sublimation. Islam and modern science today. Is there a conflict between Islam and modern science? Most Islamic scholars say no. If the Quran says something clearly, it is true. If science demonstrates something clearly, it is also true. Any apparent conflict comes from misunderstanding of either the Quran or the science. Evolution. The theory of evolution is controversial among Muslims. Most Muslim scholars accept that the universe and life developed over billions of years, consistent with Quranic language, but maintain that humans have a special divine origin. Medicine. Islam has always encouraged the use of medicine. The Prophet also said, make use of medical treatment, for Allah has not made a disease without appointing a remedy for it. Abu Dawud. Islam and medical science are fully compatible. Muslim scientists today. Many Muslims today are leading scientists, in medicine, physics, chemistry, and engineering. Islam encourages Muslims to pursue science as part of their worship of Allah. Remember, Islam is unique among world's major religions in its extremely positive attitude towards knowledge plus learning. First word revealed to Prophet Muhammad was Iqra equals read. Surah Al-Alaq 96:1, Quran commands Muslims to read plus reflect plus investigate the creation of Allah. Quran says Allah will exalt those who believe among you plus those who have knowledge to high ranks 58:11. Prophet said seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim. Ibn Majah. He also said seek knowledge even if you must go to China. This positive attitude towards knowledge created intellectual environment that produced golden age of Islamic science in Abbasid era. Quran plus scientific observation. Quran encourages reflection on the natural world as way of understanding Allah's power plus wisdom. Astronomy. Do they not look at the sky above them? 50:6. It is He who has made the sun a shining light plus the moon a derived light plus determined for its phases. 10:5. Plus biology/embryology. Surah Al-Mu'minin 23:12-14 equals stages of human development in womb. Nutfa/drop plus alaka/cleaning cloth plus mojha/lump plus bones plus clothed with flesh. Modern embryology confirms these stages. Plus oceanography. He released the two seas meeting side by side. Between them is a barrier/barzakh. They do not transgress. 55:19-20 equals modern science confirmed ocean water boundaries. Plus cosmology. And the heaven we constructed with strength plus indeed we are its expander. 51:47 equals some interpret as reference to expanding universe. Muslim scientists who contributed to modern science. Ibn al-Haytham 9651040c, father of optics, developed scientific method through systematic observation plus experimentation. Book of Optics/Kitab al-Manazir equals laid foundations for study of light plus vision plus optics. Plus Al-Khwarizmi 780-850c, developed algebra/algebra equals word algebra comes from his work. Developed algorithms equals his name is origin of word algorithm. Introduced decimal system plus 0 to the west. Plus IBN Sina/Avicenna 9801037c, Canon of Medicine equals used as medical textbook in European universities until 17th century. Contributions to pharmacology plus physiology plus psychology. Plus Al-Biruni 9731048c, contributions to geography plus mineralogy plus mathematics plus anthropology. Plus Al-Botany 858-929c, accurate measurement of solar year plus lunar orbit. Plus Jobe IBN Hyan 721-815c, father of chemistry, developed early chemical processes equals distillation plus crystallization plus sublimation. Islam plus modern science today. Most Islamic scholars say no conflict between Islam plus modern science equals any apparent conflict comes from misunderstanding of either Quran or science. Medicine. Islam has always encouraged use of medicine. Prophet said equals make use of medical treatment for Allah has not made a disease without appointing a remedy for it. Abu Dawood. Islam plus medical science are fully compatible. Islam encourages Muslims to pursue science as part of their worship of Allah. Thank you for studying Islamic Religious Studies with us today.